Welcome! Today I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card into a Samsung Galaxy A3 Core. In the beginning, go into Settings and find Lock Screen and Security option, this one. Next up, go into Other Security Settings and choose Setup SIM card lock. And here need to unactivate lock SIM card, so press it. And then need enter, for unlocking, need to enter your SIM pin. So enter your SIM pin and click OK. And that's it. And now we unblocked our SIM card. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.